come back from my annual trip to Chile. Oh, I don't need a knife. I can open it here. Let's see what we got here for video reviews. Pretty nice packaging, whatever it is. Oh, this is the SparkO wearable flashlight. I mean, just the packaging is pretty nice. Let's see what's inside the box. Pretty tight in here because it has the wires and everything. That's the wire. That's a magnetic ring. Oh, that's why I couldn't get it out, because it has a magnet in there, kind of gluing to the box. Oh, here, you open it here. I was gonna, there you go, finally. Wow, this is super nice. Look at this design. So this is truly wearable, and you can put it here. That's a red light for the bike. Must have another setting, I'm sure. There you go. Wow, what a smart design this is. Let me see all the instructions, because how to install. Oh, there you go, it goes like that. What a smart design. Look, you just put it back here. It has this ring. It also goes like that. And apparently you can even wrap the wire here. Let's see. Well, I wouldn't carry it like that, but here's the charging port. Wow, I really like this design. I'm gonna go out later on the bike and try it. So the super nice packaging, I didn't have to break it or open it. It opens from up here. Have to be careful with it. Here are the specs. 300 lumens, cool light warm light at 27K, and a red light. This is the forest moss color. It comes with a glacier blue and a canyon clay. Wow, nice product. I already like it, and I haven't even tried it on the bike, so I'm gonna go out later. So before I go out, here's the attachment that I was showing before. Really well designed too. You can attach the light here, and then you have a phone already with a magnet. You can just put it there, and it serves as a holder, but also if you're walking around at night, it can help you with the light. You can set it up however you want. Really, really clever design here. In case your phone doesn't have a magnet, it comes with this ring, so you can attach it to it, but mine already does, as you can see. Let's go out with the bike. Spark wearable flashlight. So I'm charging this light, and as you can see, the circle goes progressively around, so when it completes the circle in the bottom part, it will be fully charged. Another smart design detail about this light. So this is another example of the use of this SparkO light. Walking Charlie here in the neighborhood. She doesn't seem to mind it, but obviously it's very bright and people can definitely see her at night. It's not completely dark yet, but it will get very dark here because we don't have good street lighting in this neighborhood. Because of the clip function, I can put it here on the leash itself, so it doesn't bother her that much. In case it did before, I'm not sure. And this way we are both protected by this light. So, and here's the example of the bright light. As you can see, it really helps lighting out the path here besides the park. which gets really dark at night. This definitely helps. So this is my actual street, and as you can see, it's not completely dark, but you don't get good street lighting. The normal bright light helps a lot, basically to make us visible while we walk. There's even the brighter one here on the side. And again, because of the clip, I can just put it here on my pocket. The main point here is to make us visible while we walk at night in this neighborhood with very poor street lighting. And here's a test I do with all the lights I get. Here's the red light. Here's the bright light, the brighter one off. This is a keeper.